Indian style keto butter chicken is on the menu tonight. Let's take a look at how to make this really easy and delicious dish. I've listed all the ingredients you're going to need in the description, but the first thing you're going to do is cube up your chicken. I use chicken breast, but you can use thighs. Coat it with the spice mixture and mix well. Then throw it in a hot pot with some olive oil on medium-high heat. You want to let it brown, let it get some color. Give it a few minutes, mix it around just a little bit. Then you're going to add your onions and garlic and tomato paste and butter. Look at this, looking good already. Cover it, let it cook for about 10 minutes. And then, after 10 minutes, add the cream. Reduce the heat a little bit. And that's it. You're done. It's a really simple, easy weeknight dinner. It tastes absolutely delicious. It's really easy to do. Just plate it up, throw some cilantro on top, and you've got a really great dinner. Enjoy.